it out to boy Batman 6 in the streets of football. But Yadluli Pifi. We told you about the league as over. You participate a block for the fathers by a host of a now we just have about 30 now on the ground in Japan. So tell me time.
Alex Wamanda. The coach also the champions in the league.
Nakali is player coach
so yeah, it's so lovely to see you on the ground. So could you please introduce your team and how did you come together?
The team is a White City. Today we play against Stars. We are new in the league.
Okay.
We are both teams Sibasha League, Stars 1 and Amanda. Yeah, the game I did balance the game. It's only that both teams are some chances have. But we are under pressure. I can't say because some players are away for doing 11 against 11. So it was a nice game. Sibasha and the point one.
So then break ice.
Yeah, no, the ice.
So my coach, first game participator on the first week, how was it?
The treatment from fathers exceptional as always. Atmosphere always great. A lot of support. Love of football. You can always feel it when you get to the pitch or to their ground. So I'm quite happy with that. We always look forward to coming to this site. But back to the game, we quite happy under the circumstances to get at least 1 point, especially because we had a makeshift defense today. And to make matters worse, right back here on up for the groin injury, so we had to really play smart today. So for the rate of 1 point today, we're quite comfortable to say, especially because we are a new team, we're still building, we're still gelling, we still have to get the chemistry right. So there's a number of things that we still have to really tolerate. So we're quite okay with it. We'll get it right.
But as a new team's name, I love the opportunity. So meeting again, that's when it will decide. So you still want to meet on the second leg, right? So preparation from who the coach did you feel that? Because I saw in the weekend, but there was a guy on the other side here.
Whatever I'm telling you. Yeah, when I'm a player, that is why I need to put I'm a player somewhere. I'm a regular say, I'm asking, I'm a big phone, and you are going to go for it.
A substitute, what would you take on that?
No, it's just that we're not into the habit of taking on players that are not here. But even on our side, there's a number of players that are not available. But we don't focus on that. We just looking at the positives from today's game to say, let's get a point. We went down 1 goal down, and then we fought back to 1 up. We had a number of opportunities. We could have won the game, but unfortunately we didn't. And to the point that I made later on, we're comfortable with the point. Just looking forward to it.
That was both coaches, and you see they shared our points. The only thing we are waiting for next time, we just want to see the players. It was nice having you podcasting to all the best. Thank you.
Senado
happy to go by the name Batman 6 in the streets of football. But we are live buffet to go home ground the Fathers FC, and we're just chilling with the captain who just participated on the first game. So captain
kama uneo name Mufigo ndali spirit na manje imiskipa
system spirit na manje already the name as a spirit itself. So spirit na manje we are
Orlando West
London. So spirit na manje we are proud to host the spirit na manje the Fathers home ground. Before Safari hospitality journey from the Fathers from the Castle.
No, Fathers is ever since me as Fathers I usually host our teams and invite well branded team.
That's the Fathers. So like after Udala now when Udala open game, right? Yeah, so Spirit is Udala and then tell us about experience.
We were playing against the OG Masters and then we lost the game to OG Masters in 4-2. It was a nice game and the OG is the hands winning the game.
So looking so like 4-2 heavy score of activity, having to travel and then Mizo so like 4 goals. So in terms of Buza from the experience and training
yeah, I think what it is that we underestimated our opponents. Yeah, because we are from the same township, but we are in Zimbabwe. So Sazania also singene lathi ngalento ukuthi so now they proved us wrong, and they had a game plan. You understand? And the game plan was panel and well done.
So as a skipper, you don't motivate much. Now, we had London and 4 goals, but scored 2. You have motivated team.
Oh well, going back to the drawing board. The first thing is which is 7 as a team. I understand. And then there's 2 which is underestimate our opponents. If singayibamba kanjalo sizoyibamba kahle and then we win games. Nokuthi futhi ngibone i-challenge ukuthi thina as players we like to kubana ne-dialogue saphikisana sethini neyi-one. So I think enye into
my skipper, I trust ukuthi ma uya lapha changing room uzomotivate amajita, and one advice I would give you from the Fathers ukuthi ngoba amajita nawazi ungawa underestimate.
I will never show. Thanks to Fathers.
We just had an amazing interview. The skipper Spirits Namanje. As we move along with the program, we have another brother we are hosting. Konalano home ground advantage, home ground. Your Fathers, my brothers, introduce yourself to
Kamala Mujuta, Captain
Captain OG Masters. So Nidala, what time?
That is the number 7.
Yeah, 4 goals. 4 goals. Like we go one, if we like dive into it. 1-5 So the Nidala Spirit Namanje naikava nabantu base Zimhlophe, so they win down. So libashaya 4 like yini into engayisho ukuthi next time abazi
lo into engibonayo baye basinyatha so base ngiyatha basinyatha basazi
So mina the question engithanda ukuyibuza ukuthi i-hospitality njani since nilapho
So yokuthi right sibe nakhona kusinani kwidija.
so moving forward ama-game yenu amaphi enibhekane nawo
No igame esodlala next week sodlala ne-TK Young Stars. Kumele siwine win. Yeah.
so roughly nje khahla zabantu 4
Yeah, 4.
roughly nje maniya lapha bekukushaya abantu
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ifona bayithile. Ifona bayithile bana. Noma kanjani.
nizwele nani Father spectators uKhotmani is all about ama-4 and just storm down amajita 4 and we promise i-DK 4 so kuma-social media abantu banithola kanjani
OG Harmony.
OG Harmony so Facebook is OG Harmony Instagram OG Harmony so uHarmony ne inama-challenges enokubhekana nawo because abantu bangabona ibili yabo mara behind the win asazi ukuthi kwenzakala so amaphi ama-challenges enibhekana nawo
Ama-challenges esibhekana nawo ukuthi nje yabona wonke ama-team anama-challenges but sizabe kusho ukuthi even noma siyegaming sibashiya ngaphandle sabasegaming so ama-challenges nawo as a team bayigijime perfect so ukuthi singaagitatheki kakhulu kwazi nje ne-gaming yethu
support yabantu abafaka ama-petrol wabo bazwakale egasi just to support the-team amazwe
singabonga nje support yasinala so bangagcini ngathi baqhubeke
so ngifuna ukwazi nje ama-meeting When you're popping up over the name Batman 6 and in the streets of football, but Yadluli PV, the proud host here, Fathers in Action, Mhleli Phansi, the most important role with Fathers squad, the attacking, the number 10, kanye nesigubute sakhona. Sure bafethu ngicela nizintroduce.
Yeah, sure. Igama mfethu mina nguSimanga. Mara la second lo vesuka uchi number 10. Shumel cool bafethu. 10.
Ishu uyakutshela wena ne-intro yakhona the flair enyaweni uyasho ukuthi la lidlaliwe ibhola jersey number 10 not just any number sizofika lapho tasikubude unjani Khotmani lami
Tangu right chicken.
right my brother
Chicken.
if you don't know now you know yiyo iKhotmani eliset up some of the things ukrende Khotmani sihlangene la ku ground yenu sizelele fana league no number 1
Thank you bafethu igama mina nguSimanga uShabalala ubitso lona ke umgadli uyumpheki lona ke uyongiphakela bangiphakela nkuru bafethu samba nayo chicken thank you chicken
thank you
sure bafethu
so vandaag ne hoster one of the biggest challenge when it comes to football and organizing so ne hoster there is people abazokhala ku home ground yabo so angeke kube easy must wake up early amanethi ayisi ukuthi ama-fans wenu khona amatende khona la so preparation benjani emuva thina abantu esifika manje sebenza preparation benjani
Just ukuphendula kulokho bafethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi yonke into iya nge-arrangement angithi. So ekuseni obviously communicate-iwe ukuthi ekuseni kumele size sobhala ground so kuyadesignate ukuthi kube nabantu for leyo viki lelo ukuthi siyahosta kuba ne-group ekuyikuthi mhlambe izoprepara i-ground ngalelo langa lelo njengathule i-ground siprepare from ekuseni ukuyikuthi ama-opponent azoqala ukudlala afike yonke into seyiredi amanethi afakiwe as uyazi ukuthi Fathers is a well-organized team yabona.
Yeah, shout out to that because the Spirit in association with one of the people about so that's good. We are going so far because I know before we move to one because number 10 we are there. So
hey so far unzima
yeah
ngoba iligi isaqala yeah sifanga
we are expecting expecting ama-goals?
Yeah, it's expected ukuthi amajita ukuthi besingapheleli numbers. Because sometimes obunye abanye siyasibana ama-masters. Ungabhiliki but sizozama ngawo ngamandla ukuthi siphelele. Ukuthi bokushoda lo kube khona lo so i-momentum iyachange, yonke into iyachange, ne-combination iyachange.
You mentioned the fact ukuthi khona abasipanayo because obviously father so baba babo angeke sikhohle leyo abantu abasipanayo. So when it comes to gym trainer nibamba kanjani because 9 to 5 and then you must run the team in such a high stage on your fathers. Nenza kanjani umsebenzi fathers gym
okay yeah kule ukujima mfana during the week anomile prepare as much as long about usho now ukuthi most amajida yasibani so kunami lufake effort makuye spanning if we ukuthi mhlambeni usebenza late obviously kumele uzama ukuziprepare ekseni ekseni then if not uyakwazi ungajima ntambama obviously unamalanga ina from Monday to Friday then obviously Saturday siyajima from 7 to 9 ukuthi siprepare for
so khona abantu abasazobona for abantu abazayo yini engabakhulisa
hayi so batshela kona namhlanje ukuthi ama-fans wethu alokhu nathi kulokhu kubheda kulokhu kuhle but njengoba siqala isizini entsha bafethu siyapromisa ukuthi njengoba nifile in-numbers sizonika ama-results okuthi sizolwa as a team njengoba sihlale sisho namanje slogan sithi asinavalo bafethu ekugcineni nathi kumele siziprove as much as namanje bokhuluma ngama-fans wethu ama-fans akhona agcwele asisapota sekunawo ekugcineni nathi we need to give ama-results yabona njengoba sihlale sihle besikhuluma nokuthi ekuseni namhlanje ngimtshela ukuthi namhlanje soba ama-captain angalisabi igazi yeah so should soyilwela namhlanje i-batch sizama ukuthi sikhuphuke siye phezulu ekugcineni we need to give ama-results to team
ubonile nawe Lushilo Khotmani the team itself i-read ama-captain angalisabi igazi izwele kasikubude bethu ngicela ngikore bethu amagoli
Thank you noma kanjani.
and then to my number 10 ngicela amashubu bayibheke
mntanami khululeka ngizoyilungisa 2 pari 2 clever ababili bagadile ababili bayatshotsha ngizobanika into yabo namhlanje vitho ngikunika ama-masi stay tuned mngani wami
Zile now the 2 pari 2 clever on all digital just check fathers social media fathers asibone Wanya papi do go by the name Batman 6 in the streets of football but yadluli bifi sihleli no coach wetube before we dive deep kuma questions and what uzozintroduce coach how are you my coach
Yes, sir. Right.
Ngegama ubani
Igama lami nguPhakamani. Yabangazi ngale bholeni nguPK Sibongo Dlamini. Co-coach eDube Masters.
Dube Masters you about to play lelo namanje fathers. Yes. And the one thing engizokutshela yona beyihleli ne fathers.
Sure.
But Thembisa ubuheavy, you just have to watch master the team who's with Thembisa.
Sure.
So one thing I can guarantee you, but you need to be careful.
Yeah.
Ungathi
Kunento ezayo.
but ikhona into ezayo.
Thina eDube Masters. As you know, ifathers na yasazi.
Yana.
Yeah. Sike sayithathile.
Okay.
Sidlala nayo ifathers. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Sengikhuluma ngale league yamanje. We are sitting on number 16 as we are speaking right now. So we really need this 3 points. It's a very important game.
So mamela nisuke eduzela ekhaya.
Yes.
Host
Yes.
So do you think nizophuma kahle nisha abantu bese nakuphuma kanjalo ke?
Ukungena sigenini.
Yeah.
Ene sobuye. Baye bathi ukungena ungangena mara ngeke ubuye. Thina ukungena sigenini ene sophuma. So the 3 points ngiphuma nayo namhlanje. I really need this 3 points. Ngiphuma nayo. Ifathers njengoba ngikhuluma iyangazi. Iyangazi.
Ibhalile.
Iyangazi, yazi.
Fathers. Niyazi Dube
Yes.
Masters inenzeni.
Yes.
So the game is about to go on already.
Okay.
I can hear tension
Sure.
already.
Yeah.
I can hear tension.
Yeah.
So score prediction.
Roughly, let me predict roughly 3-2.
3-2.
Because the goals will gonna be there.
So
The goals are there.
are there.
Yes.
So azoza ngini kuphela usho ukuthi ngeke kube no goal from Fathers.
as I'm saying, and as I'm predicting the score, it will be 3-2. Siphethe uMasango lapho. Uyamazi uMasango. Uyamazi. Lethu uMasango.
So
Relax.
okay, Faraz, you must make sure the lineup you have now is strong because whereas Ubafo, Ntembisi ubu heavy. Nina, are you heavy now for the game you are about to play right now? So Duna, when it comes to hlanganisa amaplayer, ujima, into esibuza bonke abantu ukuthi amapha ama challenges ukuthi nibhekana nawo.
Ama challenges maningi kakhulu because kule league isikhathi esiningi abantu abaningi bayasebenza but ngokuthanda ibhola I always encourage ama players ukuthi even that 2 hours ukuya eSpanini shy gym because into esizele lapha mfethu ziningi izinto ezisekhaya so ibhola lesihlanganisa ukuthi ibhola umndeni kahle kahle siyathandana ebholeni yabo ziningi izinto esekhaya ngihlezi ngikhuphuzela intwana encane ukuthi nazo zize ebholeni zithanda ibhola so that zingabi ama activities abhedayo estradini yabo so ngihlezi ngiba encourage amaplayer wami ukuthi madoda noma leso sikhathi esincane ositholayo thola leyo 2 hours nyana ushaya gym uyazi ukuthi every Sunday siyadlala
uzwile nawe khona manje kuzoba nomqhudelwano but what I love the most eshiwo coach ukuthi umndeni so ngokuhlala sifukile mara we are under one roof so all the best coach sengithukile
Okathu this is the game of football
mara one thing I would
this
say
is Kazini
ngiphethe number 10
but number 10 yeah sure
lapha basikhile budo mntana
ukhile
khona lapha iRoy
sizobona
uzodlula kanjani uzodlula ngoba
sizobona angibali uMasango ayi1 mara ngoMasango ngiyasho ngeke aphume kule ground angakoranga igole li1
it is what it is it's either they're going to share points or one is going to take the whole point
no mina ngiyawathatha 3 point ngiyawuthatha wonke 3 point
all the best guys anything ufuna ukuyisho for abantu abanisupportayo nabantu abawo
ngithanda ukuthi wonke ama-supporter le league le asupporta nebhola lonke abroad ngicela ukuthi bonke abantu balilandele ibhola because ibhola liwumndeni ihlanganisa bonke abantu la ebholeni kwazana nomunye umuntu okade ungamazi nigcine seniba ndawonye so ngithanda ukuthi ma-South Africans asihlanganeni sidlala ibhola lento le yaqala kudala nathi asiyenzeni iqhubeke so that nezingane zethu esizalayo nazo zizolibona ibhola singalishiyi phansi into engithandayo nje ngebhola we are together umndeni sure
shout out to Dube Masters and shout out to Faraz they are about to lock horns now sizokulethela ama-man of the match sikulethele the insight from the players but all I can say all the best
danke ngiyabonga
asibonge ukuba khona
danke